Hold up.
I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're staying safe at home. Uh, Today I want to talk about something that we've been waiting to launch for the longest time, but before that, how are you doing on your fasting? Yesterday we did a video and we had about 1,000+ people from across the globe confirm that they were going to try that long fast post lunch yesterday. Well, as of now, I'm on my 23rd hour, still going strong, focused, energetic. In fact, after my live, I think I'm going to try a deep fasted workout before I break my fast in about 24 hours. I hope it's going well for you. But today I want to tell you about something that we've been waiting to launch for the longest time. It's taken our team a couple of months to work on this. Let me put it this way. Today we all have access to medical reports. We have HbA1c readings, we have CRPs, we have your vitamin Ds and your B12s and your triglycerides, cholesterol levels and all of that stuff. You have your blood parameters, and for the right reasons, to tell us if we have problems and then take the right medication or make the right lifestyle changes. But have we ever assessed our lifestyle? While yes, a medical report can tell us what problems we have and what the and you know where we are in terms of the symptoms, what we've designed over the last couple of months, and finally it's live today, and you're going to have the ability to take and assess your own lifestyle score. You see, all of us are trying to get better. I believe that's the reason why you're on my page as well. That getting better is not just about medicine, it's about your food, it's about your exercise, it's about your sleep, it's about your emotional wellness, your belief systems, your mindset, the way you perceive stress, the way you relate to stress. All of that is holistic medicine. Well, you need a score to start off. You could be that person today deciding that I want to change my life, I want to get better, I want to reverse this disease, I want to make sure I don't get a disease. Well, if you want to start that journey, you got to know where you are to start. And that's exactly what the UK lifestyle score is going to give you. Well, we've had a lot of our team members and doctors and already a lot of people from around the world take this test this morning. And a lot of people say it takes 6 minutes, some people 5 minutes, some people said it took me about 10 to 13 minutes because I wanted to spend time reflecting on each question and putting down the right answer so I get a great score. And that's exactly what you're going to get to do today. Someone from my team is going to post a link and you can take this score. And I'm going to give you an example. This score is based, it's a very scientific score that, our nutritionists, our doctors, our yoga therapists, our lifestyle coach, our life coaches, and our research team has worked on our 4 pillars. They've broken down 4 pillars into lifestyle questions. And with that, you get a score. Now, your score is not meant to demotivate you. Your score should inspire you. If you got a low score, it should inspire you. Like I got a score of 75%. At first I was like, how can it be 75%? I'm the guy talking about lifestyle and food and all of that stuff. But then my score inspired me to break it down, and my report showed me where I was lacking. Like I can do better with sleep, I can do better with my emotional wellness. So I got action points that I can now take to make my lifestyle score better. So I'm inspired to move my score from 75 to 85, from 85 to maybe 90. Do I want to achieve 100%? No, I don't want to be that perfect. I also want to chill out and relax a little bit, but I know that while I can take my score up, my lifestyle is improving. Now, why is this so important for people with even conditions? Because you see, while medical tests are good for us, while medicine is good for us, it treats the symptoms, it suppresses the symptoms. We have to change our lifestyle if we want to get better. And while some diseases may be incurable, it doesn't mean that we cannot improve our lifestyle, because while we improve our lifestyle, our quality of life improves. There are so many people living with diseases that can't be cured. There are some people living with conditions for years. The disease is in their body, but they're living absolutely normal lives because their lifestyles support them. They've made lifestyle changes and that supports them even with the disease in their body. So disease doesn't always have to mean suffering. A lot of people live with their limitations and their conditions, but because their quality of life is so good, it's because they've changed their lifestyle. So there is always space for us to change our lifestyles. And we're going to assess our score. Get your kids to do it, get your parents to do it. I'm getting my parents to do it today. But actually, let me just show you something right now, okay? So I took my score this morning. And as you can see, I got myself a 75% overall score. The beauty of this test is it breaks it down. It tells me where I'm lacking. So I got a 73% in emotional, I got a 76 in nutrition, I got a 73 in exercise, and I got a 75 in my sleep. And then it gives me tips, and of course they're more general tips to tell me what I can do and where I'm lacking. So you see, it's a great start. It's a great start to assessing your lifestyle. And we make all of our patients do this as well, because like I said, maybe your condition isn't going to get better in 3 months, but did your lifestyle score increase? When you came to us, what was your lifestyle score? When you leave us, what is your lifestyle score? It's not just good for us, it's good for you, because it'll inspire you that, hey, I know that I lack in sleep, and by boosting my sleep, this is going to improve inflammation in my body. This is going to create a hormonal balance in my body. So your lifestyle is everything. We're going to post a link for you. I hope you do it. Do it with honesty, because there's no prize for getting 100. There's no prize for getting a 90. Do it with honesty so that you get a real score. And that score, like I said, should not demotivate you. It should inspire you to take those small little actions and improve your lifestyle. When you improve your lifestyle, you improve the quality of your life. And at the end of the day, you begin to feel good about yourself. Life is not about having all the fancy things and material things. Have it. But if it doesn't make you feel good at the end of the day, what's the point? You should be able to have everything and also answer this one simple question before you sleep. Do I feel good? Irrespective of all the struggles you have in your day, irrespective of everything that's not going well. And most days we should be able to go to sleep saying, I feel good. Now that's the measure of your quality of life. Take your score, let me know how it goes. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, breathe deep, and remember, you care is all about you.